Introduction. General overview of Bitcoin is the first thing that we discuss. In it, we discuss what is cryptocurrency, what is blockchain technology. Then we discussed blockchain overview. We discussed founders of Bitcoin, Bitcoin payment acceptance, blockchain transaction fees, and unit amount of blockchain. Bitcoin's key selling points and multi-signature to protect privacy and central bank thinks on cryptocurrency. What does the central bank thinks on it? Then we discussed why and who is buying Bitcoin, Bitcoin circulation, users, and why is Bitcoin rising? Argentina and Cyprus debt crisis and Bitcoin. Major known Bitcoin investors. Then we discussed a general overview of Bitcoin mining. That is, what is cryptocurrency mining? Bitcoin mining overview. Then we discussed how to buy and sell Bitcoin. That is, Bitcoin wallets, how to buy and sell using bitstamp.net. Another web-based company, Coinbase, we discussed how to buy and sell using Coinbase. Then we discussed how to buy or sell using localbitcoin.com. Then we discussed a wallet, that is how to buy and use blockchain.info wallet. And we discussed Bitcoin's ATMs and private key and its importance. Then we discussed Bitcoin on charts. That is, Bitcoin volatility was discussed and monthly charts were discussed. In bonus lecture, you can get my discounted courses. And thank you for purchasing this course and learning a new skill. Thank you.